Hey there, tech enthusiasts. If you're an iPhone or iPad user, you know how annoying that undo typing pop-up can be. It pops up every time you accidentally shake your device while typing, interrupting your flow and driving you crazy. But don't worry, I'm here to show you a quick and easy fix for 2025. This simple setting change will put an end to it once and for all. Let's dive right in. First, grab your iPhone or iPad and unlock it. Open the Settings app. It's the one with the gear icon on your home screen. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you see Accessibility and tap on it. Accessibility is all about making your device easier to use, and that's exactly where we'll find our solution. Inside Accessibility, look for the Touch option and tap it. This section handles various touch-related features on your device. Now, scroll down a bit until you spot Shake to undo. This is the culprit. By default, it's turned on, which means any shake triggers the undo prompt. To stop this, simply toggle the switch next to Shake to undo to the off position. You'll see it gray out, confirming it's disabled. That's it, you've just eliminated that pesky pop-up. Go ahead and test it out. Type something and give your device a shake. Nothing should happen now. This change works across all apps where typing is involved, so you won't have to worry about it anymore. Remember, if you ever want to turn it back on, just follow the same steps. This tip is super helpful for anyone who types a lot or is prone to accidental shakes. If you found this guide useful, hit that like button, subscribe for more iOS tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.